Oh, there's Grandma. There's Mateo and his beacon.
I heard my friends go.
So look at this trail is where we're going. What do you think of your trip so far, Cristina?
So far, so good. It's a nice drive.
We're in Hope.
We're
Hope.
in Hope right now.
Hope,
Had
BC.
a nice coffee from that Moose coffee shop, which is kind of famous here in Hope.
And we're in the park, and the park has beautiful trees. Oh my gosh. Big Bellis fir trees, for the most part.
We have a beautiful park for the kids.
Mateo is enjoying the playground. We'll cross here. We'll cross at the Bear Crosswalk. You're gonna say one last goodbye to the bear? That is an owl. Yeah. There he is. I have to say, oh, I'm beginning to see stuff. I see a leaf. I see a ladybug. Right?
And you can also
Yeah, you can. I think it's like a bench. I feel like I'm in holiday, Grandma. Just cruising through a town. It's quite windy. We promised Mateo waterfalls.
I don't want to waterfall.
So now we will find the waterfalls. Oh, Mateo. What does that say? What does that say? We have to keep our eyes peeled. Eh? Eh? We're going to the falls, the waterfalls. Grandma's teaching Mateo how to point with his lips. Mateo. Mateo. Like this.
Can you use your lips in pointing? No?
Grandma's an expert. Lip pointer.
That's what we're doing.
We're going down the woodland trail.
We're going to go to the woodland trail. Beautiful.
Yes, we'll have a look, have a close look.
You don't I don't see tappers. But why is the tapper not here?
Maybe they are there in the quiet parts of the creek. You have to look in the very quiet parts.